This is the entrance to the Legian beach.
Hey, Mr. Monkey.
Yo, what's up, brother?
Alright.
Hi.
Hello.
Let's see if Erika is here today. Seems like Erika today is not available. Oh, Erika! Hello, how are you?
She's shy.
Merry Christmas. Hello, Erika. Merry Christmas. Oh, Happy New Year. All good?
Good. And you?
Okay. I'm alright.
Alright.
Happy New Year.
Oh,
Alright. Yo, little doggo. Cheers, Connie.
Cheers, guys.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Probably our last radar in 2021.
Today we are planning, before at home, because we didn't stay anywhere, and then we just thinking to go to the Legian, and then we really want to watch the last sunset in 2021. Unfortunately,
It
the
will be no
weather is
sunset.
not that friendly today, but we're still friendly to you.
We always friendly and friendly to Erika. Erika is friendly and everybody are friendly, and we have a radar. Let's see, it will be many people. There are some pictures, people making some pictures over there, but the weather is not the best.
Yeah, basically when we see that on the beach, the tourists nowadays in Bali, yes, domestic tourists. And then I didn't see that domestic tourists also do surfing here. They just go to the beach, maybe because of the weather. The weather is not that, I don't know. This morning I saw also in the weather forecast, it will be not sunset, it will be just a big rain and thunder. Right, so I don't know, maybe this is kind of belief, like whenever like close to Chinese New Year, something like that, or this New Year, so it must be rain. I don't know, this is kind of belief. If you believe on that, also just please correct me if I'm wrong.
But
So-
this is not Chinese New Year anyway.
Yeah, but New Year's or any celebration like has to be rain, because we believe like the rain will bring prosperity. Something
Prosperity or prosperity.
I mean like something good in the future.
So simply we hope as next year will be much better than this year, because 2021 was well, simply not the best year for many of you guys, for us also. If we are gonna think about our little bit rewind or recap, or however you call this, what's happened in 2021. Well, we moved out from the old place to new one. That was good.
Number one.
That was good actually. I'm happy with
We
that.
moved
Then
out from my parents' house in Denpasar, and we decided to
Live
live
in
in Sanur.
that's good one. That was good one. Then I sold my car, the big one. That's not good one. But that's happened. It can happen anytime. Then we had a Jimmy. That was good one. But that guy will get robbed because of Jimmy.
Ford, we got robbed.
That's really not good. That was actually probably the worst thing what's happened to us in 2021. But at the same time, many of you show your big heart and big support to us and help us a lot. And we really appreciate that, right?
Yeah, we are just thinking like, we are not a big channel yet. I mean, like we are just like 12K subscribers, followers, something like that. But the community, the love, the support from the community is huge. It's
very
more than
huge.
that. So I don't know, we feel like we built the channel, and also we built the community from international. I mean like national or international, among different countries that who really loves Bali but cannot come to Bali, or for
Unfortunately.
those who just live in Bali and then who really care about Bali.
Exactly.
So in our channel, we see Bali, we look at Bali at two different eyes. I mean, from local eyes, as my eyes, and from foreigner eyes, and Damian eyes. So in our channel, we put, like whatever it is. We never like, make up or something. Just this is how it is, either good or either bad.
Okay, then what's happened then? They stole my helmet from the garage. That's so pathetic
The
actually.
helmet inside the garage where there is a CCTV, and I know that this is not a cheap helmet or something.
And it's
then
also at the same time
there are
not a
many
huge
helmets also in the
thing.
garage.
It's not like a big drama or something like really bad happened, but so many bad luck at the very short period of time. And that was the time when it was like a little bit breaking moment for us, little bit. We were starting to losing hope into the humanity, I could say.
Oh, maybe because we make daily live vlogs, and maybe there are some people who really don't like it, that we showing how Bali it is, how it is, without covering like a plastic, without any, you know, like what is it
Making
called?
everything colorful and beautiful, like I already said many times. If you really want, I can make a 1 or 2 video coming to the places where I'm actually really busy, and that's it. And then you have nothing to watch anymore, because the rest of the areas of Bali was simply very quiet and empty. And pretty the same situation probably, well, it's gonna be after 2nd of January, when all the holiday season gonna finish, all the local domestic tourists gonna come back to their life, to their work, to their place where they coming from, and Bali unfortunately probably gonna be very quiet. I hope so not, but reality is like that probably, and this is what we still gonna continue to showing you every single day. Either it's good or either it's bad.
Yeah, because we think that we prefer to show something real rather than to show something cinematic, something put too much in plastic. But we believe that our followers, our viewers, our subscribers really like to see what it is, even it is good or it is bad. We would like to say thank you so much, a huge, massive thank yous for those who watch us from the beginning. We make a YouTube channel, and then until now who's still watching us. We would like to say thank you. We also would like to say thank you also for those who just joining. I mean, like, to subscribe our channel. We'd like to say thank you for your support. I know maybe some of our videos is really worth to see, but maybe some of video you feel like this is not good. But again, we are showing you how it is.
Exactly, and sometimes some of you might say also, as maybe it's boring, or I've been in this warung already for 50 times. That's true, many of you know Erika. Or maybe some of you also don't like my voice or my face or something. It's normal. It's like you cannot please everyone, right?
Yes, maybe some of you also doesn't like Damian's English, or maybe doesn't like my look, my appearance. Every human being is unique, right? We just respect how it is.
Exactly. All right, this lady come with so many snacks. How you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, explain what you have.
Oh, okay. This is like Indonesian traditional snack.
Okay.
I call them with bibbidi bobbidi boo.
All right.
That's my jokes. This is like banana chips, corn macaroni, and this like normal cassava chips and salty this one. And this one is like one of the Indonesian beans we call melinjo.
You know, guys, she has a very nice English. That's why I would like to promote her business in Kuta. So whenever you are in Kuta Lagian, when you have a bintang, support the local.
So after that, not much was happening actually. We just have a little lockdown and the limited activities. Then I used to travel 2 times to Jakarta during the, well, also hard times. And here we go, end of 2021.
Share our memories in 2021. So guys, maybe you can comment below, and then maybe you can share to others, viewers, that what are you grateful for in 2021. So about the New Year's Eve celebration in Kuta, so Kuta Beach and Legian area, and I think that
Most of the places in Bali in general
will be closed at 11. The restaurant will be closed at 10. So there will be New Year's Eve celebration like fireworks, something like that. No.
Exactly like last year actually was the same, no celebration. I know as many countries in Europe and North America, they celebrate everything, so I expect as you're gonna have a great New Year's Eve party. But unfortunately for us, it's only bintang. Little peanuts here. Cheers, honey.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
Regarding to what are you grateful for in 2021? You rewind again your memories, and then what do you wish? What do you hope? What is your resolution in 2022?
For us, we definitely gonna continue what we are doing, daily vlogs. in 2022 without any exceptions probably. And yeah, I think that's it from today. Yeah.
And we do hope so you still watching us.
Especially you will still keep watching us, because we doing that for you guys, you know, so it's very important.
Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. See you in 2022.
See ya, bye bye.